Hello, hello everyone. Hello again. And so we have two today. Yep, two. I have this beautiful Edith Holden journal and I'm listing it in the Etsy shop. And I thought I'd do a quick flip through. So we have a beautiful little, it's a fabric quilted cover and it's got this stitched onto the cover. See? Edith Holden, the country diary, gorgeous with this beautiful little bird. And it's tied together using sari silk. And we open it up, and the inside cover is this page, this poem, hark, right? And then the first page is this journaling card that comes out of here, like that, ta-da, a journaling card. And then on this page, we have a notebook. And it's just a blank notebook with lots of coffee dyed paper. And it's got stamped and painted, and it's got a fabric belly band and a beautiful doily. And then we have an Edith page here. And some journaling, lots of little journaling places, blank pages to journal, different, we've got music page and different kinds of papers and stuff. And then we have this page. And this opens up like this, right? And it opens like this. Oh, that's right. They're like, look at that. Yes, this was made watching Miss Paintalot, right? A lot of her videos. Ta-da! So that's where a lot of these ideas came from. Beautiful page. Here we have little circle pockets, right? And we've got little pieces of ephemera and little stickers in there. So you can put stickers throughout the journal or whatever you want to do with them. These are like little envelopes, right? They untie like this and then they open. Beautiful. And inside there will be journaling paper. I don't have any in there right now, but we'll have handmade paper is what we'll put in there. So that will be beautiful. And the same with this one. And then on this page, we have a pocket. And inside the pocket, we have a bookmark, this postcard. See, it's a postcard, but I painted it. Oh, it's lovely, right? And then we have this journaling card, ta-da, and a piece of journaling paper, right? And that's all stuffed into this pocket here. Very beautiful. And moving onward, we have one of these greeting card flip outs. And inside, we've got some cards, right? Bird cards. And this like planner page that I thought was very pretty and kind of matched. So there's that. On this page, we have a big pocket and we have some journaling and a journaling card. Oh, it's a postcard. Very lovely. And a tag. Backed with coffee dyed paper. And that's on this page. And then on this page, we have an envelope stack. So this unties. And we have 3 beautiful envelopes that reveals this gorgeous bird. So here is the smallest envelope. Cute little bird envelope, right, with pearls and dark green paper. And inside we have just journaling. And then we have this one, right, with the pearls. And inside, again, we have journaling. Beautiful. And the same goes with this one. Inside we have a journaling. Beautiful. Yes, Edith Holden. So there's the envelope stack. This next page is the waterfall. Right, so up like this, and they're postcards. See? So yes, the waterfall of Edith Holden postcards. Lovely. And then we have the dog roses. Beautiful. Lots of journaling space. Another Edith page, the other side of that doily. We have this, which is we've got a tag here. We've got another tag here and another tag here. Right? They flip open like this. Ta-da! That's where this tag was supposed to go. Was in here. So there's a tag on each side. See? We have this guy. Isn't he so cute? So 4 tags and a little waterfall and journaling as well underneath. Right? And they're all backed and stenciled. See? Lovely. A little set of 4 tags. And then here we have this, and this just opens up like that. Ta-da! Yay! And that's it. Just a cute little one signature journal. Edith Holden. It feels very lovely in the hands and stuff. So yep, it'll be listed in the shop. I hope you all have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye!